Today we are gonna be making some super easy but super cute paperclip bookmarks. Take out your old paper clips, we are gonna give them a new life. For the first bookmark, take out your paper clips and your washi tapes. Cut out a strip of washi tape to fit into the paper clip. Insert it through the paper clip. I have used plain pastel color washi tapes. You can use washi tapes of any colors and any design. As my washi tapes are plain, I have decided to draw some cute polka dot on it to make it more beautiful. I have drawn different simple designs to all of my bookmarks. Our very simple and cute bookmark is ready now. This is a very adorable tassel bookmark. Cut out a long piece of woolen thread and wrap it around the paper clip. Tie a knot at the end of the tassel. Cut and trim out the other end of the loop to make a tassel. Our lovely tassel bookmarks are ready within minutes. Cut out some hearts from your glitter sheets. Stick it on to your paper clip. My glitter sheets had glue in them. If you don't have this, use a regular glitter sheets and attach it to the paper clip using a glue gun or super glue. Our easy and charming glitter heart bookmarks are ready. Next, we are gonna be making a small camera paperclip bookmark. For that, cut out parts of camera from glitter sheets. Stick one side cut circle onto the rectangular piece. Then, stick the white circle onto the top of it. Now attach a small rectangular piece and some small white square pieces on the sides of the camera. Glue the small camera onto the paper clip. Our cute little camera bookmark is ready now. If you like the video, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.